Hello, kids. Can you help me?
Which one starts with B?
Yes, ball.
Which one starts with B? Yes, balloon. Which one starts with B? Yes, bear. Which one starts with B? Yes, bed. Which one starts with B? Yes, B. Which one starts with B? Yes, bike.
Good job. See you again.
Which one starts with B?
Yes, bluebird.
Which one starts with B? Yes, banana. Which one starts with B? Yes, book. Which one starts with B? Yes, bottle. Which one starts with B? Yes, bus. Which one starts with B? Yes, butterfly. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
See you in the next ABC video. Subscribe and learn with Noor.